Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the circular facing. Okay, controller will be the as usual Fanuc. So this is your workpiece having dimension 40 into 40 into 10. Okay, so someone did a center atom setting. Okay, which means this one is the origin. Clear. So let's say you are using a slot mill cutter. Okay, slot mill or drill cutter of dia 12 mm. Okay, of dia 12 mm. Okay, so in there is two things I need to mention over here. While using slot mill cutter, you can plunge on the workpiece. Okay, but while using end mill cutter, you can't plunge on the workpiece. If you plunge on the workpiece, it may break your cutter and it may cost some money to you. Okay, so if you want to plunge on the workpiece, then use slot mill cutter of, and if you want to plunge outside of it, then you can use both end mill or slot mill, whichever one available at the time. So let's begin the program for circular facing. As you know, there should be first a program number 43232. Okay, then homing G28 G91 Z0 G28 G90 X0Y, then center line G00 G40 G54 G80 G90 G21. Okay, then your tool call is M06 P03 single speed M03 S900. Okay, then your coordinate G00. So we are plunging on the workpiece and at the origin. So the coordinate of the origin will be X0 X0 Y0, then G00 5, then coolant on M8, then H1 equal to 0.2, then G01 Z minus H1 S1 F50. This is a plunging parameter. This one is your plunging speed. Okay, your first depth of cut is 0. Okay, after plunging at the center to point number 1, so your coordinate for the point number 1 will be x minus 2 y0 G01 x minus 10 y0, then 500 will be your cutting speed. Okay, so let's move in clockwise direction. Okay, from this point to your from this point. Okay, 1 dash and 2 dash and 3 dash. Okay, so 1 dash to move your tool from 1 to 1 dash in clockwise direction. In clockwise direction will be like this. Okay, in clockwise direction. So while moving in clockwise direction, there is a G code. So that G code is G02. G02 X10 Y0. R will be how much? 10. Okay. And again come to point number 1. G02 X minus 10 Y0. R10. Okay. Then come to point number 1 to 2, which is again G01 X minus 10 Y0. Clear. clockwise direction. Okay, so it will be 0 to so we are making from 1 to 2. It will be 20 from there. Okay, not 10. And 2 layers. Okay. By 0 you have to complete the full circle. You start from point number 2 and you have to end at point number 2. Okay, so that you can complete a full circle. Then even after reaching at the corner of the workpiece, okay, even after reaching at the corner of the workpiece, there are some points which are untouched yet. These are all the 4 corners of the workpiece. To remove that material, you have to move again from this point to point number 3. Okay, so while moving from point number 2 to point number 3, it is a linear path, so we are going to use 0 1 x minus 30 y 0, then 3 to 3 dash 0 to x 30 y 0 30. Okay, then 3 dash to again 3 to make a complete circle. 0 to x minus 30 y 0 30. Okay, so like I said earlier, you have to make a complete loop. You have to close the loop. So by closing the loop, you can start again that loop. Okay, so we started from point number 0. From the origin, we have to end at the origin to close the loop. Okay, and again 0 1 x 0 y 0. Yes, this is an incremental development. Then if square bracket x1 less than equal to, so let's say you want to do placing up to 2 mm, so you have to write over here. Okay. Then go to and write. Then again, after writing that line, you have to take your workpiece. No, sorry, you have to take your tool inspector, not workpiece. 0 get 5. Then M5 is your spindle of and 9 of okay. It will remove the material until it get the 2 mm. Okay, after that it will stop removing any further material. So this is all about the circular facing operation.